Hi, I'm Chris Bryce with superservice.com, and this is how to add a computer to a wireless network. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is retrieve the list of wireless networks available. You're going to want to go to the lower right-hand corner of your Windows screen, and you'll see an icon that looks like two computer monitors joined together. There'll be a red X over those icons showing that you're currently not connected to a network. If you click once on that icon, you should come up with a dialog box that allows you a link that says Connect to a Network. Go ahead and click on the Connect to a Network link. This will bring up a list of the available wireless networks you can connect to. Look for your name in the list, your name of your wireless network, and go ahead and click on it. In this case, it's Wireless Network and shows that it's a secured network. Click once on there and then click on the Connect button. Once you've clicked on the Connect button, it will ask you for a passphrase or a key. This will have been provided to you by your network's owner or administrator. Go ahead and type in that key. Now in this case, we're using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your passphrase will be either a 5 to 10-digit number or combination of letters and numbers, or could possibly be a 13 or 26 key number or combination of letters and numbers. After you've typed in your passphrase or key, then go ahead and click on OK or Connect. After a moment, you should notice a dialog box that will come up and tell you that you're successfully connected to the wireless network. Now that you're connected to the wireless network, you can share files, access the internet, and enjoy all the benefits of having the wireless network.